Listening. Listen and check.
Thomas, what's the matter?
I don't know. I feel terrible.
You must go to the doctor.
But I have an exam at school tomorrow. I must study these verbs.
Come on, we'll see what the doctor says. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. And this is?
This is my son, Thomas. He isn't very well.
Really? What's the problem, Thomas?
I feel terrible. I have a headache, and I feel sick.
You have a headache and you feel sick. You're very red.
He is very red, doctor. He was in the sun for hours yesterday.
In the sun, huh? Well, Thomas, you probably have sunstroke.
Sunstroke? Oh, dear. What should he do?
Well, I think he should take some aspirin, and he should stay in bed today. No school for you today, Thomas.
No school? Oh, okay. Thank you, doctor.
That's okay. And next time, Thomas, remember, you shouldn't stay in the sun for a long time.
Okay.
And if you are in the sun, you should wear factor 30 sunblock and wear a hat.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Yes, thank you, doctor.
That's okay. Bye now.
Goodbye.
Bye, doctor.